Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Anshul and do you know me? No. Do I know you? No. But I'm gonna talk about myself. I'm just gonna talk on anything I like, and today's topic is friends. While I'm talking, I'm gonna do makeup because talking without doing anything is weird, and talking to camera is also weird. So I'm gonna make it productive and just do my makeup. Just do my makeup to go nowhere. So today I'm gonna talk about friends. Not being that lucky in that department since childhood. I was a silent girl. Actually, people didn't even know that I existed in the room. I was that silent kind of a girl. Invisible girl, you can call me. I just used to tag along people. Sometimes I wonder even if they knew that I was tagging along them, but anyhow. Bangalore was a new rush of courage to open up in a different place from my home, just away from all the chaos. I came to Bangalore and I had the confidence to talk. I built up that confidence to talk, to go on stage, to make friends. I have friends, but I wouldn't say I have best friends or the comfort friends, or I don't know, whatever friends need in a friendship, because I always feel incomplete. I always feel I need somebody even though I have people around me. Maybe I do not have the right kind of company. That in the mirror is my cat, so don't freak out why I have a chunk of hair here. That's my cat. Can you see her? Can you see my cat's thing? Yeah, this is her. Oh my god, that's so creative. Okay. Bangalore gave me that courage, but then I still felt empty. I still felt incomplete, and I know that's not an excuse, but I never felt that connection with anybody. After 7 years of coming out of that childhood silenceness, I'm again there in that silent zone, when that little Anshul, how she used to live. I feel like I have no path ahead. That is something which is happening currently. But nonetheless, I have a lot to talk about. Coming back to friends, I wouldn't say the people who are around me are bad or wrong, but I just do not feel that connection with anybody. I do not know what to do. I do not know what I want to do ahead in my future, what I want to do. What are the next steps which I need to take in my career, in my life, towards my well-being. Therapy I'm considering, because I'm going for therapy, guys. But still don't feel any connection with anybody. Most of the times it feels like I do not fit in. But isn't that the world is all about right now? We all are feeling this, right? Like, we all are going through the same shit. All are feeling the same. And I do sometimes wonder that maybe all of us do not feel that connection. We're just going about life without feeling anything. Because I get it. We are getting too insensitive to things because of social media and stuff, and I don't know. I'm just curious to actually get to know people, to actually find that connection with friends. Sometimes I feel, what is it that I am lacking? Because others around me seems to be doing fine. And I know I should not be thinking that way, but I do, because it comes to my mind and I'm going to say it. That is something which I have been feeling a lot. So coming back to friends, I do not think that we even have friendships like we used to have before, right? Maybe the friendships which I've seen growing up, in which I was not the part of, maybe yes, I'm just not getting that. Maybe people around me do not have that much energy to give that to anybody. Actually, the world around does not have that energy, because we all are suffering from something. We all have childhood traumas. We all, are dealing with stuff in our own way, right? So I do not know like what is happening. It's like we are in a loop. We are in a loop, like we need it, but because of the way we are not getting it, and then it just keeps on going like that. We don't know where it ends. I don't think anybody of us knows where it ends. People killing people. We have people killing somebody over a parking spot. We have people who beat each other. With people, I do believe that the world has become a very angry place. Like everybody is so angry. Everybody is so frustrated. Even smallest of things make you tick off. And I do believe that people have blurred the line between good or bad. Although good and bad being very subjective to people, but still, a murder is a murder. It's a bad thing, right? That's why I think we do not have good friendships around us. We do not have those things which are actually required to give in that effort. I've always been the person who has done so much for people and always gotten nothing in return. And I'm sure there will be more people like me around there. Maybe some of them will be watching this too. Maybe nobody will be watching this. Who knows? It breaks my heart that I live in this world, and it makes it more difficult to heal. Because what is it that you're living for? Right? Like, I do not know. What is it that I'm living for? My career is going for a toss. I don't know what I'm doing, right? Maybe I have not found the right community. This is what I've gone through always. Like, I've always felt that I've never fit in, right? So, how do you deal with that? And honestly, I don't know. I'm just so tired. I'm just so tired of everything. I'm just living. I'm just talking. All my life I've been suppressed to talk, like. But then when the time comes to talk, I do not know how to start a conversation. But I do believe every human being needs a person, needs people around him who support him without doing the cancel culture which we do right now, right? Whether it's influencers, celebrities, that's what. Like I said, I guess people have become very angry and frustrated, and they just try to take it out in this way, like, canceling somebody's years of work and experience and hard work. I just don't find it right. Like, just don't spread hate. I also do believe that people have become insensitive to connections also. We do not have that anymore. We do not have those communities where people used to go, laugh, sit, talk about shit, and feel happy. Just go to work, come back, and do what? Scroll reels? Honestly, I do not think that I'll ever get friends or have anybody who will understand me. Even if I try my best to understand others. Even if you give your everything, somehow the other person does not reciprocate. And don't get me wrong, I'm not giving because I wanted to be reciprocated, but I also have to fill my cup somehow, right? I do believe that we should be putting in effort. I want to be a human being. I don't want to be a robot. I don't want to be a person who does not have emotions. And to be honest, right now, the things I'm seeing around, the path I'm going for, and like I said, I'm not getting anything. The person I'm becoming, I do believe it is going to take away this part of me which is human, which feels things, which makes me sensitive. But sometimes I feel maybe I'm the wrong one, you know, because others are having fun, others are laughing, but I'm just not able to join them. I'm just not able to feel it. I'm just not able to be in that moment. And maybe we have all these things I've been talking about and I've been craving for out there in the world, and maybe I have it like people around me, but why I am not able to feel it. I hope I find my circle someday. I hope I'm able to talk to people the way I want. I don't know when, I don't know how, I don't know if it is even possible. Let's meet Dodo, sunshine of my life, my baby. That was my video, ranting about whatnot, but that's it. I don't know if I'm gonna make another video, I don't know if I'm gonna do anything else, but let's see. Someday if I feel like talking again, I will talk again and talk about things. And meanwhile, this is how my makeup turned out.